Hey, what's up? It's Alexis Nickley with the Nickley Group, and two things that sellers worry about before they put their home on the market is one, not having enough time to find their next home, and number two is the logistics of moving. These two things can cause sellers to have a fear that they're gonna become homeless. So what I'm gonna tell you today is what we do here at the Nickley Group to help you overcome that fear. So if you haven't heard, we have a program called Buy Before You Sell. Now I've done an entire video about that. You can check it out, I'll leave it below. But if you decide maybe you don't qualify for that, or maybe it's just not the right fit for you, we have a second solution for you. So if you're a seller, something that you can negotiate in your offers is a leaseback. What a leaseback is it allows you to close on the property, but stay in it as a tenant after you close.
Really?
So the person who purchased the home becomes your landlord and you become a tenant. And what you do is you negotiate terms that are the same of a lease. So how much will you pay in rent each month? Hopefully enough to cover the mortgage. Sometimes in this market, you can negotiate it for free. The length of time you're gonna be in the property, who pays the utilities, all that good stuff. But what that does is it gives you the time, number one, to make sure you have enough time to find that next home. And number two, it gives you enough time to move in. That way, you don't have to pay for a storage unit. You don't have to move twice. That sucks. Nobody wants to do that.
Pivot! Shut up! Shut up! Shut up!
If you have any additional questions about a leaseback, or maybe you want more information about the Buy Before You Sell program, we would love to help you. And if you are thinking about making a move in the future, we would love the opportunity to earn your business. So you can contact us at the number posted, or you can reach us at thenicklygroup.com. See ya!